tell by your smile you had been with a good girl like me.
This is the one that I gave it yesterday, but no, I couldn't wait it for to open it. Oy. So this is the one. What I get it. This is the one that show me. Yeah, it was very nice. And then I get my hair yesterday. This for myself. For my eyebrows, isang katutak binili ko. And then the clothes for a long dress. I'm gonna bring this for my for our vacation on Friday after my half day working, and then we go directly to our vacation. We're in for a week for a bungalow. So this is for me. This is something else. So I'm really excited because it's like you have your own place and then you can cook there. But you know, we don't like too much cooking. You know, we like to go eating outside, and then you know we like to taste any kind of different food. You know. So I don't think that we can cook there, but anyway, I will bring rice, a box of rice, small box like that, so I can cook there. And then I was thinking normally to make a pancit there, but I forget to buy the pancit. But maybe I'm gonna do only something like the noodles. Then it's also like a pancit. So maybe I'm gonna do something like that. And then. So this is the one, and I also buy this one to the rituals. But if I go shopping, I always bring something, a bag for me already. So I was thinking already that when I'm leaving to bring a shopping bag for me, because I don't like with any kind of bags, because yeah, it's quickly kaput, so I can put it in one time there. At least if I will brought something two big ones, then I can put there everything there in it. So and then this is my roll-on. It's my roll-on because it's already finished. And then my hand cream, and then accessories, the earring. But normally I was thinking to go shopping yesterday for myself, but no, I could not act like I'm a selfish one. So I also think to my babe and to my son. So it's not for me everything, but no, after our vacation maybe I'm gonna go back again for myself. And then this one, so I bought also shoes for me, sneakers. So and then because maybe I'm not gonna wear it along with heels. And then this one is for Philippines. So if I will buy something, I will buy already step by step for Philippines, even a few pieces only, even it's still a long time. So and this is not for me, a long dress to bring. And then and this is the one for my son. I could not do it anymore one by one because it's too much. And then I don't know. And this is for my BF. So and then this is, I will put together in all already what I'm gonna do. My haul, and then my things that I'm gonna bring it to our vacancy. This is the bag that what I'm using today. Normally my working bag is different, and my bags for going shopping and then weekend. So I take it only in the locker there in my closet for a few bags that I'm gonna choose for which one I'm gonna bring it, because it's too much. So I like a bags pan BELGIUM. So really like it. So this is my fave. So this is the one. So it's like that. Yeah. And then the sling bag. From JL, Jennifer Lopez. Guess again. So I'm gonna choose this which one I will bring it, but this is the only thing that I take it on the top because there are too much. So I'm sorry guys, hindi ako nagmamayabang, but yeah, you know, we are all women, we like collections. So if I have a collections with shoes, then I have also a collections with bags. My Michael Kors. This is good for summer. So it's nice to wear with if you are wearing with low clothes or a jeans clothes. So a jeans trousers, and then my sling bag. Again, the Guess. So okay. Oh, it's so much. Probably this one I'm gonna bring it because it's much easier for me. So I think it's too much walking the place where we are going because that is a historical place. We love historical place. So we really like it. That's why my son wants to come to us because it's very interesting for it. Actually, he never come to us, so at least now I'm happy that we don't fly because I'm not really going so far this year because in 2020 we are going to Philippines. Maybe we are going to take 4 or 5 weeks. So I think I'm gonna go look later for my bags. So what is that? Is foreign, and this is also a Guess. I really like Guess, no? So this one. This is also my favorite. This one. This is already a long time. Actually, I never buy any more new bags because you know sometimes I'm really feeling bad if I'm gonna put it on Facebook, if I'm gonna upload them, and then I'm really pity for my families in the Philippines. I don't want to be hardened that it's hard for them to look, you know. So that's why I just want to keep it by myself. At least if I will put it in YouTube, then I think probably they are not gonna look it because I'm not gonna share this on Facebook. So it's up to them. If they will look, then I'm very sorry because you know I have a very small heart, you know. And then I'm quickly pity for the people